Hey, this is Tyres. Welcome to Barbecue 101. Today we got something a little bit special for you today. We were going to make a smoked queso. And we have already ground and browned hamburger and beef chorizo. And it's already in the pan. We've got it in an equal portion that's going to go in each one. And we're going to add 5 different cheeses. We have got pepper jack. We've got some Velveeta. We've got some Colby, regular cheddar, and we've got cream cheese. So what we're going to do is kind of put equal amounts in each one of these because we're making 2. Now we could have made 1 great big pan, but 2 makes it easy for us to handle and get them on and off the grill. So we can work with that. So what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of half it. So we're going to put 1 cream cheese in there. We're going to put about half of the Colby. In there. Just kind of half it up, divide it. And let's go ahead and do the Velveeta. About half. I'm just dividing it up. It's not equal amounts, we're just dividing it. That way we can keep it straight on who gets what. Okay, then half the Colby. And then half of just the extra sharp cheddar. All right, so we're going to add a little bit of the cilantro. This is fresh cilantro right out of my garden. That's enough of that. We're going to add some onions and peppers, tomatoes rather, in here. I'm just going to put the whole can, 1 in each. It's filling up really fast. We're going to hit it with just a little bit of our coarse black pepper, salt, and garlic, or as I like to call it, PSG. And hit it with that. Give it some flavor. We're going to hit it with a little bit of taco seasoning, just to give it a little bit more of a kick. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put some vitamin D milk in here. Now, and that's all she wrote. So the last thing we got to do is just simply cover these. This is some heavy duty aluminum foil. Doesn't have to be super tight. Just want to cover. And now we're going to go out to the grill. We're going to put it on the grill. The grill's already hot. We got it on low, and we're going to put it on. We're going to let it cook real slow. And then we're going to show you about halfway through, and we think it's done. We're going to show you. This is not a turn, but we're going to check it to make sure everything is melting the way it should. And we'll add some more milk if needed to, and we'll be right back with this. So we're outside again, and we're getting ready to put this on our grill. And this is my go-to Weber Silver Edition grill. We've already got it hot, and you can see we got smoke coming off. It's burning off any excess char on here. So what we gotta do is simply do, no brainer, just take our queso mix, put it on the grill. It's very hot. And all we wanna do is melt this. So we're gonna keep an eye on this. We're gonna let it cook the same convection we normally have when we cook. And this is gonna add a lot of flavor from the smoke. It's gonna go into the meat, it's gonna go into the cheese, and it's gonna completely change the way you've ever had queso in the past. Okay, so we're gonna check this, and wanna make mention that like we talk about all the time, that you don't want to keep opening, raising, and closing the hood because you lose your temperature. In this case, you want to, because you've got to be able to check this to make sure that it is cooking the way you want it to. So if we take this back, you can see that it's starting to boil, and we want to stir this. Just kind of see if it mixes up. It's working pretty good. It's doing like we want it to do. Not bad. Not bad. Put that back down. Let's check this other one over here. Same thing. Boiling. Cheese is melting. Exactly what we expect this to do. Okay, so we'll put this back down a little bit longer. And we'll come back and we'll check this in a minute. Okay, so it's cooked. We're gonna check it, but we're gonna cook. We know it's cooked. You can smell this. You can smell the cheesy and smoky flavor mixing together. And when you raise this hood, this is what you get. I wish y'all could smell this. This is just fantastic. That's what we're looking for. That's the consistency that we want. And what we're gonna do is we're going to turn this off, and we're gonna let it continue to cook with the heat, and these flavors are gonna mix together even more, and we're done. So what we're gonna do is just put the hood down. We're gonna turn this off. Like normal, we always go to the tank first. We know if we turn the tank off first, the flames are gonna go out. So once it's done, we're gonna turn the valves off, and we're done. We're gonna let that sit on there and cool down, and in about 30 minutes or so, we're gonna be able to test this out and see what it tastes like, and show you the finished project. So again, smoked queso dip, done on a grill. Don't let anybody ever tell you you can't do cooking on a grill, because it can. Anything we can do in that oven, on a stove, we can do right here in this grill. So remember to like and share at the bottom. Barbecue 101. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all. So we've taken the queso dip off of the grill, and it's been resting for a period of time, and it has been continuing to cook. Okay, so the heat that was stored inside and it was on the grill, it kept cooking. We just took the flame away because we didn't want it burning. So here's our product. Looks like somebody's been in this. So it has a little grease on it, and that's fine, because the grease is gonna float. Let's try this. That is fantastic. The cheesy taste. It's got a smokiness to it. It's on the back end. It's fantastic, y'all. This is great. It's exactly what I expected and what I was hoping it to be. This is good chili con queso dip. I can make a meal on its own. This was fantastic. I highly encourage y'all to try this. That's a meal in itself. We use it simply as a hors d'oeuvre for people to snack on. It's really good. It's fantastic. All the flavors blending together in that smokiness, which is what exactly we were hoping it was going to be. This is fantastic. So I hope y'all try this. Y'all notice when we did it, we didn't measure a lot of things. We just put things together. That's part of the fun, because you don't know what you're going to get when it turns out. And we're happy the way this turned out. We made 2 trays. 1 tray's gone. This tray is a little bit of Survivor here. It tastes fantastic. I wouldn't ask for anything better. You can see a little grease on top like we talked about, and that's fine, because that's coming from the Mexican cheese, the Mexican sausage rather, and that's why we got that. And it's the mixture of the flavors: 2 meats, 5 cheeses, cilantro, our black pepper, salt, garlic, mixture together and a little taco seasoning, and there you have it. Turned out fantastic. Again, just want to show people that you can do this on the grill. You don't have to do everything in the oven. Again, thank y'all for watching Barbecue 101. Please remember to share and subscribe at the bottom and tell your friends. The only way we can make this channel successful and we continue to grow is y'all helping us out by liking and subscribing. Please do that, and we thank everyone who has. Put comments down at the bottom if you like. We're trying to respond to all the comments we can, and we thank y'all. Thanks for watching Barbecue 101.